In this video, I show you how to sew the blanket stitch. You can use this stitch to sew two fabrics together. It gives nice neatened edges. To sew the blanket stitch, you need two pieces of fabric. I have prepared an elephant shape from felt, to which I have already sewn an ear with back stitches. You will also need a thread that is threaded into a pointed needle and has a knot at the end. I want to hide the knot between the two pieces of fabric, so I stitch up between the two fabrics first. The first stitch for the blanket stitch is special. I stitch from the bottom up, trying to come out exactly where my first stitch is already pointing out of the fabric. Then I go under the thread from right to left. Now I start the first blanket stitch. I stitch from the bottom to the top and place the thread over the needle from right to left. I now repeat this sequence. I stitch from the bottom to the top and place the thread over the needle. Make sure that the distance between the stitches and the distance to the edge of the fabric is nice and regular. The loop should be at the edge of the fabric each time. The blanket stitch looks the same from both sides. The edge of the fabric is nicely neatened by the loop.